Okay, so this is a short video on how to make a duck fart. And you need three ingredients. The first ingredient is Kahlua. The second ingredient is Irish cream liqueur. In this case, we have St. Brendan's. And then you need Crown Royal. So, the last thing you will need to make this all happen is a shot glass. This is not a sipping drink, this is a shot drink. So, the important thing to know about making a duck fart, as you put in each ingredient, and we'll start with the Kahlua, is patience. You need to tilt the shot glass and put the bottle right up next to the shot glass, right on the shot glass edge, and pour slowly. And put in, that's probably a little less than a third Kahlua. Now, the amounts vary depending on your taste, but this is that's what makes this drink kind of fun. But you try and get like about the same amount of Kahlua as Irish liqueur, maybe a little bit less, and then definitely less. What is that? Crown Royal. Yes. Okay. So next we're going to put in the Irish cream, and again, tilt the shot glass. Put the bottle right on the shot glass lip. Pour very slowly till you can float the Irish cream on top of the Kahlua. That looks pretty good. And now my next ingredient, of course, is the pièce de résistance, the Crown Royal. We're going to take that Crown Royal, and again, patience. Bottle on the lip, pour slowly, and pour a little less than what you've put in for the other two ingredients of Crown Royal on top of the Irish cream. And there you have it. It should look very nicely layered. And I'm going to put this a little bit closer to the camera so you can kind of see. And let me see if I can maybe get this focused a little bit better. There we go. But you can kind of see we've got Kahlua, Irish cream, and Crown Royal all nicely layered inside the shot glass. And of course, the last thing you need to do is to drink this thing down all at once. It's not a sipping drink. And there you have it. The duck fart. Patience and pouring slow.